Ow! It's broken!
Hello! I'm so hungry I feel like milk. Let's see what we have here. Oh no, it's empty. So let's recycle it and throw it in the right dustbin. Someone's at the door. Let's go. I'm coming. Hello, garbage truck. Whew. I realized it was you.
Hello, Chris. I'm feeling a little ill. I'm not feeling well. And the crane is creaking. I need to collect the garbage. The yellow containers for plastic. The green one, it's for food waste. And lastly, the orange one is for glass. Oh no! It broke! Quick! I need to see a mechanic now!
Aha! It's all clear to me now. I understand what happened. I'll fix you up in no time. I need the right tool. A screwdriver will do. For this, I need my drill. Let's find the right drill bit. This won't fit. This isn't what I need. Perfect. And here we go. Okay, let's check it. I think I need some grease for this. Let's see what we have here. Motor oil, got some antifreeze, and some grease. This is what we need. Okay, let's add this to the joint. Great, it doesn't creak now. Yeah, you're all fine now.
Thank you, Chris. What can I do for you?
I have an idea. Here you go. You can take my trash. I think it's time you go to the gas pump.
Time to fill up! Free gas! Have a safe journey! What a wonderful aroma! Thank you! See you again! soon.
Ooh, I need to pack away my tools now and open the window. I can't breathe in the stench. Oh. Bye-bye.